Begin by safely raising and supporting the vehicle and removing the wheels. If you need additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Place a wide drip pan to catch any brake fluid during the removal process. The rear brake line, red arrow, connects to a mount in the chassis, blue arrow, and to a mount on the wheel carrier, green arrow. There is a small hard line from that clip to the caliper. The factory line sits in two grooves in the mount that corresponds with two notches in the line. This keeps the line from turning while you unscrew the nut on the hard line, red arrow. You want to use the right tool for the job, and that tool is a 10mm flare nut wrench that is designed to grasp the nuts on 5 sides. The nuts on the hard line are easy to strip. Do yourself a favor and use the right tool. Once you break this connection open, brake fluid will escape. It is slippery, but most important, deadly to your paint. Do not get any on your paint. Separate the flex line from the hard line on the caliper. It is a really good idea to cap the hard line while the flex line is off, red arrow. This will help protect the line, stop debris from getting in, and keep fluid from getting out. The procedure for the connection on the chassis side is the same, only you will be using an 11mm flare nut wrench. Again, capping this line will help reduce the brake fluid that will escape and help keep everything clean, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Never use any sort of tape or sealant on the threads when attaching the lines. Now you must bleed your brake system. Do not attempt to drive the vehicle until you have completely bled the system. Even if the fluid is in between the usable levels, you must bleed the system. You have introduced air into the caliper and lines, and it must be bled out. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.